What's good, Glam Squad? I am back with another video, and in today's video we are going to be making my mama's Rice Krispie treats. Yeah, the treats. I was like, wait, am I saying that right? Rice Krispie treats, whatever. As you can see, well, actually you can't see, but as you can see, it's 1:50 in the freaking morning. And I got some editing to do. Your girl got editing to do. Your girl got some thumbnails to make. And I want a late night snack, okay? So, I got my Rice Krispie treats. I'm going to show you all the stuff you need, okay? I'm going to sit you down and get y'all going. Let me get y'all at a good angle here. Okay. Hi, Meow Meow. He always want to talk when the camera come on. You going to get your video, sir? Calm down, sir. All right, so anyway, you need Rice Krispies and you need some marshmallows and you need some butter, okay? You're gonna need a pan and you need, I mean, you really need a spatula, but oh no, we can use the spoon. Yeah, we're gonna use a spoon. Yeah, so we're gonna make it like my mama make them. So we just gonna go ahead and do a disclaimer, because I seen how some of the haters y'all be doing on other people's videos. Look, how my mama make them, that's how my mama make them, okay? And that's how I like them. If you got a way you make them, drop it down below and tell me. But you know, just don't be rude about it, because we're open to suggestions. But I'm just showing y'all how my mama make it. That's how I like it. So my mama wouldn't dare use this because it's light. I can't believe it's not butter, but that's what we got. That's what we're using. So let me go ahead and, you know, get y'all all set up so you can see the pot here. Okay. Just gonna light it up. Okay. And usually I use a way bigger thing than this, but I'm only making it for myself because I just want a late night snack. So we're just gonna go in here and we're gonna probably take like this much of the butter, because you don't want the marshmallows to stick. So yeah, you want to do that, and then we're just gonna wait for that to melt. So you want that to get real saucy, you know, where it got that drip like I got that drip. You want to get real saucy, but not too much sauce. Just swirl it around and whip it up in the kitchen. There you go. All right, and I smell it cooking, so this is like exactly where I want it to be. Y'all see that steam? Y'all see that steam? We're gonna do the Jet Puffs now. So these marshmallows are so yummy, so we gotta hurry up with this, okay? I don't know how many I want. I'm gonna know when I know, like I'm gonna just know. So we're just gonna count the schmallows. So we're gonna count the schmallows. Schmallows, say hello. Bow hello in my Belu voice. Back it up. Almost. There we go. So it's sauteing all nice and stuff. So you just want to put a bunch of marshmallows in there. One potato, two potato, three potato, four. 5 potatoes, 6 potatoes, 7 potato more. 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4 to work that thing if you want a bankroll. Hey. It's cooking with peas. Chef Girl RP. You just saying. The littest cooking show ever. Martha who? Martha who? Listen. I think I might need just, I'm gonna turn it down just a little bit. Cause see, you want them to melt, you want them to get buttery. You see all that yellow? All that yellow around it? That's what you want. You don't want it to burn. You just want to be nice. You want that sticky, icky, icky. You want it to look yellow like buttered popcorn, baby. Ooh, 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 look at this. Yummers. This is gonna be so good. Anyway, this is the hardest part for me because I like to move them around so they don't get burnt. My mama a pro though. She just let it sit there. Mama, if you watching this, shout out to you. But my mama, she just let it sit there. She probably would have used more butter than I did too. I just don't want it to burn at all. We might need more butter. We gonna see. You just don't want no lumps in it. I probably should have got the smaller marshmallows. Oh, these is about to be big. Just making marshmallow paste right here. Just want all the lumps out. They're almost done. Oh yeah, shout out to my new subscriber. I met her at the grocery store tonight when I was getting my Rice Krispies and my marshmallows. Shout out to you, boo, my newest subscriber. You know, she was recommending chocolate for the Rice Krispies, and I was like, girl, I can't do chocolate because I tried it in my waffles and I really like it at the Waffle House, but we still gonna do the Krispies. So shout out to you, girl. Hey, hey, hey. Glam Squad lit, baby. Okay, look, we almost done. Look, I want all the lumps out, but yeah, I'm feeling like, okay, they so small now, a little bit of lumps ain't gonna hurt. So this, y'all, I don't even measure it. I just put in it. I like eyeball it because I know the ratio I want. And just actually turn this off. I don't need it hot no more. Yes, I'm making a mess. And yes, there's a small amount because, like I said, it's just me that's gonna be eating this tonight while I edit. I just want a nice, warm, homemade snack. I could have bought Rice Krispies, but like I said, I like when my mama make them. So when my mommy love makes them, she makes them the best. So that's what we doing tonight. We making mommy loves Rice Krispies. And this is about how I want them. I like them sticky. I don't like more Krispies than anything. I like more marshmallow. So yeah, now I'm gonna put them in a bowl. Yeah, I like Girls. I don't really like Krispy like girls, but that song is stuck in my daggone head. I hate it. Drive around all day, so that song is stuck in my head. Okay, so now we're gonna put this in the Tupperware bowl. Should do it like this so y'all can see it. So many strands, and I'm gonna soak this in the water. Soak that in water so it don't stick. And then take a spoon to get the marshmallow off. And these taste best when you eat them with your hand. I don't know how hot they are right now, but we about to try it. And I like eating these. Are they still super hot? Nope. Well, yeah, they are. That's a lie. Mmm. So we about to see. What it tastes like. It's still kind of warm. I just pick it. They stick together more when they're cool, but it's so good. And some this sweet. I'm gonna have a side of water with it. It's so good. Anyway, you guys, that's it for my video. It's just a simple cook with me video. I love you guys so much, and until next time, be fresh and be fierce. Love you guys. Bye. Oh, listen. If this is your first time here and you haven't liked, comment, or subscribed, like this video, because you know it was lit. Like, come on, we was cooking up in here. Chef P in the building. If you want to see more videos, just go ahead, comment down below. Tell me what you want to see me cook. And yeah, follow me on all of my social medias, because I'm just that lit. TalentsGlamSquad. Become a part of the littest squad on YouTube. Glam Squad getting money, no cap though. I love you guys. Bye.